This is where the holes will be made, as you can see. It has some accessories for installing it. Okay, it even has this brush to clean it. And let's see, this is the main unit. Okay. The battery goes here. Okay. Should come with some energy, as you can see. You can change the speed. Really nice. Has more cleaning accessories here, another brush for another kind of surface, the charging cable, an extra filter. This is an extra filter. You just push it a little bit out here and you get it out. And you can even wash this underwater. You change it for a new filter. Of course, if you can wash it, it can last for a long time, but you get an extra one, okay? And